The 2010 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.